Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best home gym equipment brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is BalanceFrom's GoYoga High Density Mat. We've written before about sunny health and fitness products and we're happy to try it. To kick it off, this exercise bike is designed for a maximum weight of 220 pounds. It is the perfect cost and stress slimming point. Limit the pounds with ultra cardio exercise fit while providing enough comfort to keep you coming back for more. Thanks pallets foam rubber on the handles and functional comfortable seat is cradled, kept in comfort while on a working sweat. You also have an LCD screen with a built-up exercise, monitoring loss of calories, distance, and more. Installation is a little complicated, but after this thing, it will take a freight train to knock below. It's easy to follow a serious robust construction with instructions, and it is a simple process. Sunny health and fitness is all about it gives you what you need, and nothing more. This exercise bicycle rests on an excellent price, green in its portfolio. Number 2. Our second best pick is NordicTrack T Treadmill Home Gym Equipment. The T series comes with a little bit of everything. To start our home gym mega list, which began circulation heart capacity with the most trusted name in Nordic. Hundreds of customers have enjoyed the many features of function MP3 player for preset training dock. One of big problems with properly doing cardio is that you need to be surface area, and half-ass treadmills are not doing the trick. A part excellent size of the length of the tread 20x55 is also a digital inclination is obtained to change matching system that allows 10% of its inclination to the orientation specific muscle groups. They are for the education of his life in it, and you will not get it if you have the right equipment for the above in terms of cardiovascular training. Programs that come with this device designed by certified trainers exercises, so that the fruits can harvest without me any costs per hour session. The best treadmill, no doubt it belongs to Nordic and could be yours. Number 3. Our third best pick is Concept2 Model 2. The Concept2 rowing machine has been leading for centuries. If we cover our rower guide, they were everywhere. Use these to be personal endurance training, we crowned as one of the best home gym equipment investments ever. If you are not sure about the price, understand, but the functions, listen before jumping into the number 5 Remo machines. You work your arms, back, calves, thighs and core, all in a hit. There is no such thing as a single machine brands anything for you, but this is very, very close. You receive real-time data. This is as reliable as it comes, that gives you an insight into their burn calories. Rowing machines are very heavy, and during that it is only able to carry 57 pounds, still separated into 2 pieces for easy vertical storage. Say you set aside a healthy budget for a complete home gym today and who came to us, you have no room to accommodate each machine. Storage is a key component, especially when you receive multiple devices. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Everlast MMA Heavy Bag Kit. The first rule of Fight Club. It's at home, so that it is permissible. Talk to respect. Sandbags have been notoriously bulky and expensive in the past, but the bag Everlast MMA adds a new player in the game. First, there is also a very attractive price, and comes with more than just bag. You could also get an elastic cord with exceptional weight capacity so that you can save your pocket, wherever you want, hang as long as the source can be maintained weight. You also get a set of boxing gloves and finally get an over 100 handbag that weighs 70 pounds wrap. Then, you give a lot weight meet each other while still being able to use the elastic rope. Synthetic fibers fill this bag, mixed with a mixture of screened sand, to create the perfect environment influence. This bag is also customizable, so you do not open the box that fits all sizes to find solutions. Ready to train MMA style. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Cycling Bike Home Gym Equipment. Whether you're at home or on the road, instead make balance from yoga for her. I know some men also use these mats and support the use of foam rollers or dumbbells for head movements. These include a strap, which allows you to take the road and beat or hang when you do so. See, not imagine how this carpet is. You will see after a few workouts. Do not worry, it is treated with moisture which allows it to clean from top to down. Slightly resistant technology. 15 seconds of soapy water are no traces of sweat left to remove and keep it looking new. This product is sold exclusively now. That it can also serve as a yoga mat. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.